the trading review for Thursday, the 7th of December 2023, and I'm looking at Nvidia, and we had a really nice run yesterday that we took advantage of. Let's see, but we didn't really took the bigger trade. It was a trend day yesterday, and I was only able to trade a pullback from S3, the pullback right here, and had to end the day at 2R yesterday. So we had a really nice run trending down here, and I was expecting more of an inside day behavior today on Nvidia, so I was looking forward to that, and I was really happy to see a wide initial balance on Nvidia on the 5-minute. So it gave me confidence to make an entry short. So on the 2 minutes, we had an open test drive, pretty much. But we started to see some selling pressure here. And we formed a cross here. But I decided to wait, since we had such a nice run to the top side. So as soon as we closed the 5-minute, and I realized that this was a very large candle, I was looking for the short. We pushed past 262, but we swiftly reversed. We swiftly rejected that price. And so we closed this candle as a hammer. And after that, I knew I had to get in. We didn't have a lot of stacks down at the bid. We had some, but we still had a very large order at 463, 465, 466. So I was expecting this to be like a normal variation type of day or a neutral type of day. So I made my entry short, and we were experiencing some heavy buyers. So it made me hesitate a little bit about my trade, but I was able to take a partial at 3-1, and I was getting very nervous because we were getting a lot of buying pressure on both the 5-minute and the 2 minutes. So I decided to offload more of my shares, and then we had a bigger drop, and that's when I started to partial more. And I don't feel too sorry about not holding for longer, because we were pretty much at the bottom edge. And as you can see here, we respected the bottom, the open price, the bottom of the wide initial balance. And so we just touched the price and bounced from here. And we got back into the pre-market level. Outside the pre-market high. So an entry here could have been nice as well. Maybe at the top of maybe after this doji with the pre-market high as a stop loss. And we push the price past 462. And it seemed like we were going to head down again. But price actually held and pushed higher and higher. So Nvidia ended up becoming a normal variation day. Lots of buyers at the end that push price a little higher, and it was trending on the 20 moving average, as you can see. But a lot of pullbacks. So it wasn't a very confident trend day, but it was a trend day. It seems. Let's see here. Yeah, no, I would say it's a normal variation day. Very difficult to trade. But it was a nice pullback. The daily is starting to look a bit weird. But anyways, that was my analysis for the day. I'm very happy with the trade. An entry long could have been more difficult, especially at R2, but we did reject R2 or R3 later, so actually worked as well. So on the daily, again, not putting too much focus on stop losses, mainly attempting to get my entries correct. An excellent pre-market prep. Reacted quickly and was very focused during the trading session, which of course resulted in really nice profits, even though that doesn't really matter. We executed 100%, we took one trade, and it was a winner trade. So I'm very happy about it. And yeah, the profits doesn't really matter, but you can see if I get to control losses, then the days where I get a profit, then it starts to get crazy, which is fine. I can accept that. A lot of profits. Who wouldn't? So that's it for my trading review. One single trade executed flawlessly, made the entry when I had to, and I was focused on looking at the right data, and I was in the zone when I took the trade.